So hello friends, welcome you all to the code world. So in previous video we have gone through the arithmetic operator, and we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what is modules, and exponent and flow division. So in today's video we are going to see a comparison operator. So what we mean by comparison operator? Comparison operator is basically used when we want to compare between two things. So in comparison operator, they are a double equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, so let's first of all see the double. What is double equals to? Okay, let me comment. And one more thing I have forgotten to introduce, that how to comment any line. In basic, this is Python basics, how to comment in Python. For a single line comment, you just have to press shift and 3 button, means hash will appear as hash. This is a single line comment. Okay, so let's move. So what is double equals to? So let me first of all define one. Let me here define first of all a variable which contains some value. Let a equals to 21 and b equals to 10. So this we are going to use this for all our operations, comparison operation. Okay. So first of all, what is double equals to? So let's take a condition. If a if a equals to b, then we want to print it is equal is equal. Okay, else we want to print it is not equal, is not equals to, is equal. So what basically it do, what double a equals to do, it see if the value of a equals to b, then it will come into a if condition and execute the inside the if condition code. Else it will move, if the value is not equals, then else will print, and it will print it is not equal. Okay, so let's see by running this. Okay, we have not run this, so else, so now we are getting it is not equals to, as we can only see that a contain 21 and b contain 10 value. So it is not equals to, so it is printing is not equals to. Okay. There is a triple equals to also. What is main difference between double equals to and triple equals to? Double equals to take only the values, means it will not see what type of data type it is. It can be string or integer. Since here we are using integer, both data type is integer, so it is giving me a not equals to. If I put the 10 into a string, so now data type is changed, this is integer and this it is string, so then also we will got same answer. You can see I have executed it, it is not equals. So in double equals to, it only see the value, not a data type. In triple equals to, it see the value as well as the data type of the variable. Okay, so let's move further, and after that it is a not equals to. So let's print it, and you can, the shortcut for commenting any line is control then question mark, control and press question mark, will directly comment the selected line. Okay, so not equals to, in this we will see if a is not equals to b. Okay, what we have written, if a is not, you can find this symbol, examination symbol, by using shift and 1. Okay, exclamation symbol. So if a is not equals to b, then we want to print value of A and B is not matching. Okay, so value of A and B is not matching, and if it is equal, then we have to take the else symbol, else print, else go and print it, values are equal. Okay, let's run it and see what our value is equal or not equal. So we get a value of A and B is not equal, since we have printed that if A not equals to B, if this condition is true, A is not equals to B, can we see? Okay, A is 21, B is 10, so A is of course not equals to B, then it will execute this line, else it will print this one. Okay, if A equals to B, then it will go in as part and print these values are equal. Okay, so next we have less than and greater than. So let's take it also and let's see. So how to take a less than and greater than? Then if A is less than, if A is let's take a greater than, if A is greater than B, then we want to print, A is greater. Okay, else we want to print if A, else we want to print B is greater, B is greater. Else we want to print B is greater. So let's first of all, before running this, let we find out the main answer. A is 21 and B is 10, so of course A is greater. Okay, so by running this we should get A is greater. Okay, means this one. So let's run it. Not supported between instance of int and strings.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूं.
Okay, let's run this. Okay, now we are getting perfectly A is greater than B. Since A is greater, so we are getting A is greater. Okay, and now less than. So less than. So same thing we will do. If A is less than B, so we are going to print it and print A is less than B. Otherwise, we will print else print B is greater. Otherwise print A is greater. Okay, so if A is less than B, then it will print A is less than B, otherwise A is greater. Okay, is A is greater. So let's run it and see. So A is greater. So since A is 21 and B is 10, so we are getting A is greater. It executing this else part, not a if part. Okay, so after less than, so we will move to a greater than equals to. Okay, so greater than equals to. Greater than equals to, what it say, if we are taking a condition, if A is greater and equals to, so if A is greater than equals to B, then we want to print A is greater a is greater, else we want to print a, else we want to print b is okay. So b is greater. What it will do, it will take if a is greater and also equals to b. If we take a value here, here we have a value of 10 only. If we take a value of b has 21, then means a is bigger equal to b. So it will, what this greater than equal to do, it will see if a is greater or equals to. If any one condition is true, then it will print this a is greater, else it will move to b is greater. So as we know, we will get a is greater, so we are getting a is greater. Okay, now move toward less than equals to. Okay, so less than equals to, less than equals to. So in this also same, if a is less than equals to b, then we want to print that a is less than b, else we want to print it b is less. Okay, so as we know, a is 21 and b is 10, so of course a is greater, so it will print execute else parts b is less than. Okay, so let's see, we are getting correct answer. Okay, finally we are getting b is less than. So now we have completed all these things: less than, equals to, greater than equals to, less than, greater than, not equals to, and double equals to, what is mean. So we have completed all this part of the comparison operator. So thank you for watching this. So in next video we are going to see our next operator, which is assignment operator. Okay, so hope you like this video, and please like, share and comment in the comment box. Okay, so thank you for watching this.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना।